Hi everyone, it's Rita. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna have another haul. So just a couple of pieces that I picked up here and there, mostly H&M, and this is going to be more things kind of like for the fall winter. I do live in Houston, so my weather is not going to be the same as someone else's up north. Like winter is definitely not the same. So I do like to pair a lot of like summery pieces with like jackets or blazers. So I'll just show you everything right now. I do have a lot of things. Keep this in mind. I didn't just go to the store and buy this at once. These are several trips for probably 2 or 3 weeks. I do have 2 more orders coming from H&M probably in the next couple of weeks. They've been very behind with their orders. I am surprised because they're usually pretty fast. But I do have one of them that arrived a couple of days ago, so I'll just share it with this haul. But a lot of the pieces have been just picked here and there, like again in the last month maybe or so. Most of it is from H&M. I got a couple of pieces from ZARA. I've got a couple of things from other stores. So anyway, let's just get right into it because I know I'm gonna take forever because I do have a lot of things to show. Was randomly this dress at H&M. And this is the exact same dress that I already have 2 of them. I have it in white and I have it in the other kind of like florally beigey pink shade. And I absolutely love this dress. And whenever the summer was around, I couldn't find it anywhere. Like it was sold out in stores and on their website. It's a linen blend. I've got this one in the size small, which is a little bit big for me. So I do have to get it fitted. But I absolutely love it, and I know it's gonna be a staple in my wardrobe once, you know, spring and summer come back around. But honestly, again, I would just pair this with a little light sweater or a jacket, and I would still wear it like during this like more fall winter months. But yeah, this is 2 blouses again from H&M. Everything that I'm gonna be mentioning right now will be from H&M. So this one is gonna be size small. And it's kind of like an not really off-white, but it's like a beigey, almost pearl color. And I love the little neck on it. And then it has this also little application on the side with like those little ruffles. It's a long sleeve and it's very soft to the touch. I really like it. I just kind of like randomly paired, you know, stuff together for the video. So you'll see it coming up. I'll put up a video here. But that's what it looks like. I really love it. I could have used an extra small, but whenever I purchased it, the extra small was sold out and I really wanted this blouse, so I just went on and picked the small, which it's gonna be okay because I'm actually gonna, you know, plan on wearing this with like jeans tucked into my jeans. So I think it's very, very cute, and I'm pretty sure this one is still available. Whatever I do find available, I will link it in the description box below. A lot of these things were just kind of like a one-time thing because they were like on sale. But I'll discuss that in a second. But yeah, this is kind of like more beigey, darker shade. This is kind of like that silky material, so it's super comfy to the touch. And it has a V-neck on it. I don't think you're able to see it, but it's a button up and it has a V-neck. I'll post a video here on the side. And this one is an extra small, but it's again one of those more loose fitting blouses. But yeah, another thing that I will be using a lot with my jeans once the weather starts to cool down a little bit more. And this is something that I will definitely wear at the office once we, you know, go back to the office. But for like my everyday casual outfit wear, I would just pair this with some jeans and maybe some tennis shoes to bring it down a little bit. But it is a very cute a blazer and a jacket for like a really good price. So this first jacket is kind of like a more Chanel-y inspired, and you know, it's like the off-white, very, very pretty color, and then with the black all around it, also here on the ends. And it's just a really cute one. I feel like this is gonna be so cute with like dresses and jeans with a very light shirt underneath. I really, really love it. And this one was probably like 20% off when I got it. It was the only one in store. It sold out on the website pretty fast and I just found it randomly in store. And of course I had to pick it up. It's super cute, and it's literally what I love in clothing. It's so my style, so I really love it. For the blazer, I got this very summery color. It's like a very bright yellow, and I'm not one to do a lot of yellow, but this was insanely affordable that I had to pick it up. I think I paid for this like $14. I'm not even joking. And original price was like $50, so I did get this from store. And it's just a beautiful long jacket. I really like the yellow, and it's just a very simple jacket. And again, perfect for the office whenever whenever I do go back, or for my everyday, just like with some jeans and a t-shirt underneath. I think this is gonna be super cute. I gotta stop saying that things are cute, because obviously I think everything is cute. That's why I bought it. But up next, I have a very light little cardigan sweater, and you can button up all the way up, which is what I would probably do, just button the full thing up. And this is a beautiful baby pink, very pretty. This one is in the size extra small, and this is something that I would wear either by itself or with something underneath, like open it up or just put it all the way up. And with like jeans or dresses, I really like how versatile this will be in my closet. I was needing some kind of like just like a very basic sweater to wear around the house, because I'm usually freezing. So I got this one, super affordable. I think it was like $10. This one is also extra small, and this one is from the Divided line, and it's just a simple sweatshirt, and it has here like the word love on it. And again, another very pretty pink. This one is a little bit darker than the other one, but still like a very pretty kind of like more dusty pink, just to wear around the house, or if I have to run an errand or something, just leave real quick. This would be perfect, just with, you know, some jeans and some tennis shoes. I like how comfy it seems, and it's just very thin, which was what I was needing, because again, we don't get too cold in here, and I wanted this specifically to just be around my house. Up next, I have a skirt that is kind of like more office-y vibes, but I felt like pairing it down with like a t-shirt and some tennis shoes, it would look really good. And this is something that again I could use during the spring or summer. It's gonna be very versatile, and it's kind of like a more beigey black, and I definitely have nothing like this in my wardrobe, like a more office vibe skirt. So this, I am super excited again, because I am looking more for it for like a more casually tennis shoe kind of look, and I really like it. I got some pants that are kind of like the same material, or like the same, not the same, but very similar look. These ones I loved because they have some pink on them. I don't know if you can tell, the lines down here, like the bigger squares, are pink. So again, in mind with wearing like some pink tennis shoes, I think this would look super good. Or if I go back to the office with, of course, more like flats or even some high heels. But this one, I really especially liked that pink shade to it, because I feel like it gives a bit of a different look to it. We're all done with the H&M things, and now I'm gonna move on with the only pair of jeans that I purchased. These ones are from Banana, and I got mine in the size 26, and these are the highs rise slim. So it is very hard for me to find like more straight jeans. I feel like they're either like the mom jeans or dad jeans, or like they're super baggy. But I wanted something a little bit more straight, so that they would be like form-fitting on like my booty and the legs. But I like that the bottom is like way bigger, so it's not gonna be like your typical very skinny jean. So it's just like more like a straight leg. So I do have a couple of those from Madewell, but I feel like I haven't found anything like that I like from Madewell lately, like the past couple of weeks, maybe a month. So I wanted to expand, and I went to Banana, and I got this once, and I really like the shade. I feel like it looks really good. I almost forgot, but also these earrings I got from Banana. I think I got these ones maybe last weekend, and the jeans a weekend before that. So I was wanting some just very basic gold hoops, and these ones are super cute because they have kind of like a middle part, so they're like double, I guess. But they're not too big, they're not too small. That's exactly what I was wanting, and I needed specifically some gold ones. I got this random sweater from Loft, and I really like it. It's very cute. It's like a button down with like the big buttons, as you can tell right there. This is the only one that I didn't show up in a video, so I just want to do a little more of a close-up. And it's beautiful. It has that kind of like detail on the shoulders. So I really love this. I feel like it's gonna be super cute with either jeans or skirts or dresses, and the color, of course, it's something that it's perfect for my kind of like my color palette that I like, and most of my clothes this will pair perfect. Another random item that I picked up was this beautiful hat from Forever 21. I don't think I paid more than $20 for it. It was like really affordable. My head is teeny tiny, so I have a very hard time finding hats that will fit me, and this one surprisingly fit me pretty good, and it has those little strings on the inside so you can make it a little bit smaller. And I just like it. It's very beautiful. It reminds me a lot of what I really wanted to get when I got the pink one from Nordstrom during the anniversary, but mine got got smashed on the shipping. So that's kind of like a little bit of a bummer. So I bought this one in store and it's perfect. I really like it. Again, it looks a little bit big right now because I haven't like fixed it on the inside, but it was, you know, pretty affordable. And I love the shade. I feel like it's gonna go perfect with pretty much everything of the things that I've been picking up for this fall and winter. For the last clothing, I did pick up from Zara this beautiful dress that's again kind of like that very beautiful silky material, very soft. It has just some like red roses and other little tiny flowers. The colors are very fall-like. And it is so soft on the skin whenever like you have it on. It's very comfortable. It has that very interesting and nice color, like a square color. And again, with the little shoulders to have that little ruffle, so it kind of like looks a little bit more puffy, which my dress also has that very lightly. You'll see here in the video how it fits. I really like it. The only downside is that whenever I wear these, I cannot wear a bra because I don't have any bras that will actually look good underneath this like more square collarbone or collar thing. But other than that, I really like it and I cannot wait to wear it. I am planning on going to a pumpkin patch next weekend, so I might wear this one. My best friend from Mexico is coming next weekend, so we're gonna have a ton of fun and take some pictures, so I might just wear this one. Lastly, we have some trousers. They are that, I don't know how you call this, like elephant leg, I guess, the very white leg. They are very comfortable. I do need to get a little belt for this because it has like the belt, and I don't have anything that would go good with this. So here of course is the clip. You're gonna see how I wore it with the pink sweater from H&M. That's just an example. I just grabbed the sweater and I wanted to put them together. To finish up with the clothing, it's not really clothing, but it's a pair of shoes. I got some New Balance from J. Crew. I saw them randomly one time just walking through the store, and I really liked them. And then I saw them on the website, but they had the N in a beigey shade, which I really liked, but those run out of stock super fast. So I just went in store and I saw them, like I tried them on and I just fell in love. The N is like a rose gold, and then it has here some details on the laces with the rose gold. I mean, they're very beautiful. They're like a suede material, so they will be getting dirty pretty fast. But I love the shade because I can wear this with pretty much all of my jeans or even with like dresses. Now that the weather is gonna like get a little bit more chilly, I do go for more tennis shoes. I mean, I really use tennis shoes year round, but I really like the shade because they are going to be perfect with all of my jeans, and I cannot wait to wear them because I haven't worn them just yet. And yeah, they're very cute. To fully finish up this video, we have two more kind of like tech things or items I did pick up from Ulta. They were having the hair day event. I can't remember the name, but I did pick up this T3 convertible base, and I got a attachment for the tousled waves. So I haven't even taken out of the box. I love this kind of like more bouncy curls. My hair is kind of like more curly, but you know the curls that are like the fake curls that you do with the machine with a curler. So I was needing a good one because I have like a cheap one from Walmart. So I'm hoping this is gonna be easier to use. I did get the one without the clip because the one that I have right now has a clip and I don't like it as much. So I'm hoping I'm gonna love this. I got it for a really good deal. I think like normal price, these are like $100 a piece. Like you buy like the base and then you get the attachments, each one being $100. So I got both for $100. So if you ever are wanting to kind of like get more like hair tools that are kind of expensive, because $100 is pretty expensive for each one of these, wait till whenever Ulta has these kind of like hair events, because they always have like hair dryers and curlers and straighteners for like a really good deal, usually like 50% off. So I picked up these two, and if I like it, I'll probably just pick up a couple of more, or maybe one more of the attachments to see which one I like better. But so far I haven't used it, so hopefully I will love it. And lastly, to finish up this video, I did pick up a Kindle from the Amazon Prime Day. I got it very, very affordable, like $30 off. And I love to read. And we live in a very small apartment where I literally have no place to be keeping books or hoarding books anymore. So I thought I kind of like had this on my mind for a while. So whenever I saw they had it on Prime Day, I knew I had to pick it up. And I am really happy with it. I don't know really if I'm going to get too much into reading in this thing compared to like an actual physical book, but so far I'm loving it. I already have like 6 books in here, and I'm at the same time reading another book, like a physical one from Stephanie Meyer, I think it's called, I have it right here. So I have it on my nightstand. I'm reading this one at the moment, but I also picked up the Gillian Flynn's Sharp Objects, and I have it here. So I'm kind of like going back and forth, and I mean, I have 6 books in here, and this is only 1 book. So I am very, very happy with this so far. I'm hoping I'm gonna get more into reading in it instead of like the books. But so far I like it, and I think I got it for a very, very good price. We made it to the very end. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe before you leave. I know I have a lot of viewers that don't subscribe to my channel but do watch my videos. So please be sure to hit the red button right down here and hit the little bell so you don't miss any of the videos coming up. If you like this kind of hauls, let me know. I am planning on filming one more for sure once my other 2 H&M orders arrive. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!